is only one who loves me like he does, no matter what. His name is Jesus. He is the strongest. His name is Jesus, and he is oh so good. Oh, anything he can do, anything. Yes, it's true. Anything he can do, anything. He is amazing. Anything he can do, anything. Yes, it's true. Anything he can do, anything. He is amazing. He is the very best. No one is bigger. He is the very best. No one is stronger. He is the very best. No one is greater. He is Jesus. He is Jesus. He is the very best. No one is bigger. He is the very best. No one is stronger. He is the very best. No one is greater. He is Jesus. He is Jesus. Oh, anything he can do, anything. Yes, it's true. Anything he can do, anything. He is amazing. Anything he can do, anything. Yes, it's true. Anything he can do, anything. He is amazing. Oh, 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 oh. He is amazing, and he can do anything. Oh, 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 oh. He is amazing, and he can do anything.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Oh, hi, I'm Lucy, and I love learning all kinds of things about space. Outer space is all the planets and all the stars. Oh, and the moon. Look at this. Astronauts left footprints on the moon, and since there's no wind on the moon, they could stay there forever and ever. Look how big and beautiful the sun is. Did you know that the sun is a star? It is, and there are so many other stars out there. Wow, space is so amazing.
Who?
It's Ollie.
Hello, Lucy. Who? Reading all about space, are you?
Hi, Ollie, I sure am. Space is so amazing. I wish I could go to space right now.
Space is amazing, it's true. But I've got something even more amazing for you. Listen to this story. Just follow me through.
Follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Hola, friends. I'm Luis, the handyman. It's amazing to see you today. Do you know what else is amazing? Bike wheels! Have you ever looked at how they spin? Like this. Yeah. And the faster you pedal, the faster it goes. Whoa! But what if I told you there was a person who is amazing? It's true. Let me tell you a story. Do you want to help me build it? Great! All right, let's put it on the story fence. Hammers up, little builders. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, hammer! Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now, we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Okay, so today's true story from the Bible begins with... Who is that? Does anyone know? Oh, it's baby Jesus, you're right. Baby Jesus was born at Christmas. But did you know that Jesus grew up to be a kid? Yeah, it's true. Let me show you. So, this is a temple in the town where Jesus was a kid. A temple is like a church where people go to learn about God. Can you find Jesus? Oh, look, there he is. That's Jesus and Mary and Joseph. They are coming to the temple for a big celebration. Ooh, look at all the people. Wow, looks like a great party. All to celebrate God. Ah, look, there's Mary and Joseph. But where's Jesus? Does anyone see him? Mary and Joseph didn't know where he went. So they went off to look for him. Well, I'm sure they looked over by the kids. But he wasn't there. I'm sure they looked over by the food. But he wasn't there either. Then, all of a sudden, they found him. There! Do you see him? Yeah, he's with all those grown-ups. What is he doing? Oh, look! He's talking about God. Look at all the grown-ups. What are they doing? They're listening to what Jesus is saying. And look at their faces. They're amazed at what Jesus is saying and how much Jesus knows about God. See? Jesus was out of this world amazing even as a kid. That's because Jesus is God's son. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who is amazing?
Jesus is amazing. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who is amazing?
Jesus is amazing. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Adios. See you next time.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus taught amazing things when he was a kid like you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow. Jesus was a baby and he grew up to be a kid. He did amazing things because Jesus is God's son. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. Jesus is even more amazing than everything I'm reading about outer space. I'll go find my Bible and read more about Jesus. I'll see you next time.
Everyone who heard him was amazed. Luke 2:47. Everyone who heard him was amazed. Luke 2:47.